Yes, girl. When it's a little pack of him. On the waste people. On the go away. Go away. On the thief. We do not thief in government. On the thief. On the do not leave people in Jamaica. On the Jamaica reptile crawl up on the people them. Reptile up on the road, big up yourself here. We have no light, one light across the island. The people with that shelter from in a burial, them life to be stable. Come, Mr. Prime Minister, we have to be people them. We have a shelter from burial. The people that want about the normality of the movement. That's very wicked and arrogant against the people them. What about the National Disaster Funds? What about the 28 bank account? What about the charities? Something must can be done with the people them. We're still in a shelter. Something must can be done for the people them. We're still in the shelter and the wholeness. Come on. The people them are desperately need some help out of the taxpayers' purse. They pay their fair share and they need to get help. Why have the mass of the people been suffering? Why have the mass of the people been on the receiving end for so long? 8 years, I've been at 9 years, and you don't build a school. No proper infrastructure. Everything run down. Everything is drained out like with a bucket of wool. You put our budget. You put our budget into a basket. You put the budget is like a liquid substance. Where you put into a basket. Where every policy is drained out. You have drained out the energy of the people. We need help. Some way, somehow. The people of Jamaica need help. So let us call for some divine intervention and get out this arrogant government and its cronies. We need help. We want back with land from Juliet oldness. The taxpayers need their money to be worked for them. From Brogad, Alibaba, Buffalo Soldier, man. You're a Buffalo Soldier. Buffalo and Joel, you may attack. Jamaica people, they want their money. The charity that the people are supposed to get benefit from, they need it back. Critical for tough time. With the Charity Foundation money that the children hospital. The bus amount the children hospital. Where the money they shall critical substance? Where are the money? Where are the funds? We need it. The amount of $1 trillion been missing across every sector, across the length and breadth of Jamaica, where it cannot be accountable for. We want to know how it go. No light on the road. The place stink. Everything break down. Come, government. The people must suffer. And yet the people money cannot be accountable for. The people they can't get no good governance. Taxpayers' money being spent in left, right, and center. To keep crooked politicians. To back up on the cronies. How many money will they spend to reinstate Paul and Wayne? Money been waste left, right, and center. The $20 billion be accounted for, that's spent into the Carnival Region Hospital, and there are no benefit, there are no value for money.
Yeah, giant. Morning.
Kami ako ba si Plogan?
Sally the life. Sally the life.
Hello? There is no benefit. Bobby Mandique, we still remember the used car deal money. Carl Samuda, we still remember the Bombasa grass. Oh, it a go. Oh, it a go. We still remember. Tough time, we still remember about the bad fertilizer we can't come get the farmer them. We still remember. Warminster, we still remember the disrespect to the citizens of Jamaica. We still remember. Nigel Clark, we still remember the 0.1% negative growth when you left the Jamaica. We still remember. Favor Williams, we still remember the failure of the education system. We still remember. Sleepy Chan, we still remember the high crime rate. We still remember. Light green, we still remember so the agriculture system not going on. It not work. If we farmer them. Bobsy Grange, where are the way how to get back the entertainment sector on track? What you going to do? You leave it all by itself. It gone. Dumping jar. What's happened to the tourists? What happened in the tourist industry? What going on with the local people them? Nothing not going. Desmond Mackenzie. The street stink go on light. On the road them on the street will need to be cleaned up. Jamaica want clean up. The people have dump the rubbish by you. That's why the girls have dump by you because you want the garbage them. What is really going on with taxpayers' money? We need help. What is really going on? Jamaica people are tired. We're fed up. We're tired and we're fed up. Come Jamaica people, we can take back this. It comes from this arrogant Prime Minister boy. The Prime Minister not deal with the countryman and the Prime Minister. He is a scammer. He is a private businessman in the parliament. It's not working for Jamaica. He is working free road a man. Your hand being get caught in the cooking jar. Your private business parliament, man. Your hand get caught in the cookie jar. We catch you red-handed. All the Jamaican people can get back the money. Usain Bolt, when you're ready, make we demonstrate for your money. You will get it back. It's rightful yours. You earn it rightfully. It's so unlawful when you get it. You work very hard for it, and you need to full joy to the max. Make him take your 20 bank account and give you back your money. He can't give it. He can't give you it. So anytime you're ready, make we plan a peaceful protest and go protest against it, against the arrogant Prime Minister. Let we do it. We're ready to back you. You're an icon of Jamaica. You do us well. You serve us well. You are more beneficial to the country than the Prime Minister. You have more, you make Jamaica more represented and have more stability more than the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister is a private business scammer. The Prime Minister is not fit to lead because he's arrogant against the people. He has no humility. Come, people, come. Call the election, Mr. Prime Minister, suppose you bye election. Call the election and let the people them decide if they're going to vote back for Cowan Grill. And then they're going to vote back for government badness. If they're going to vote back for 28 bank accounts. If they're going to vote back for the JLP-ism. If they're going to vote back for the garbage on the street that properly collected. If we're going to vote for this poor infrastructure of the country. If we're going to vote back for this anarchy policies. Come. The slogan, time come. Let we put it in action. Let me put it in action, time come. The Prime Minister is very arrogant and wicked these people them. Come Usain Bolt, make a step and we will help you. You need back your money. It is very hard for you to go through so many things. And to let your money just go away like this. But remember me tell you, Captain, your ship is sinking. And your Holiness, your ship has sink. Too much criminal and thieves by your ship. They are crabbing a barrel, they are take away all the taxpayers' money, and we're not getting the benefit of it. The announce story done with. The hey little nigga and the cat and the figure that are no more those type of foolishness. Not this now we're away with the spoon policy can't work. Jamaica, your country pop down, your country mash up under the leadership of Bro God. And the Alibaba system, your country mash up, your country gone to the dog. It gone to the dog. Let us take back what is rightfully belongs unto us. We not follow these labor rights. We love roast meat. We sell out the country for roast meat and grill. We deserve more than that. We deserve a proper governance system that will function. function in the school, a function in the hospital, a function on the street, a function in the security force. We need a government that can make the system function right across the length and breadth of Jamaica. The system supposed to first start function in the economy. Where are the smart people that are supposed to be a part of the economy where you leave out? Huh? Where are the people that are supposed to be a part of the economy where you leave out? You cannot be the country without the people that they receive on the receiving end that pay their fair part and do their fair part. We want back we come from you, sir. That's all the people that in the market can get a proper facility to work with. And you leg upon them, you leg on the police, and you leg on the what they call them, the metropolitan police from them. And take away the item. And when they not thief out of it, they come back and take back on people the next day. What can go so? What can go so? Jamaica people with a serious problem. We're in a serious problem. They could hold the bull by the horn and start speak up our rights. Let we just keep silent and waiting on the day to vote him out because we have to start speaking from now to. Let them show him say we're arrogant against the high inflation we have faced. We're arrogant against the government policy that not functioning, not working properly. Come on, Jamaica people, come stand up for your right. Speak, we need good governance. It can't work at all them way. A chaka this. A wickedness this. The man abandoned everyone with lifestyle that we used to. We used to proper governance. Not this type of anarchy thing. Come on, man. Jamaica, we are next door to 80. If we keep on with this type of policy of underones, we are next door to 80. To you, Jamaica, you need a better youth of your children, them. You need a better youth of yourself. It can't work like this. It cannot work like this. Come on. Time for us now to wake up and smell the coffee. We're not going to allow Andrew Holness and him cumble out them to have a one-man show like we're going to have it in 2016 and 2020. Nothing enough that done with. The people have seen the ash reality of this government. The people have seen the ash reality of this government. And there is no more no propaganda policies that work anymore. Not working anymore. Jamaica is too nice, Jamaica is too sweet for us to sold out Jamaica to this Alibaba system. Jamaica worth more than a piece of roast beef on a grill. Jamaica worth more than a little goated soup in a cup. Jamaica worth more, and the Prime Minister alone to have 28 bank account and the illicit investment cannot be certified by the IC. Jamaica need more, and this 8 parliamentarian who enriches themselves, and we cannot get accountability. Jamaica need more than government policy put gag order upon even freedom of speech. What kind of policy this? What kind of government this? that you have no right to be speaking about like arrogancy of government policies. You put Gaga on us. It can't work. We are here to dissect it and throw it and wrap it up and crush it and throw it in the trash bin. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. You hold them to poor people, pitney, and take 250,000 upon them. Say they breed the disaster management act, and you do not put back none of those money back into the health system since them breach the management disaster act. They breach the pandemic act. So that money when you collect from the people about wearing masks and this and that and that and that should go into the health sector. Why do when I have 28 bank account? Enough is enough. Prime Minister, we're tired. We're tired of your garbage policies. Give back us some of our money. Give back us some of our money. You let all this give back the people them land. On have more than one can manage. Oh God, man, on have mercy upon Jamaica people, man. On have more than one can manage. Give back the people them land and the money. Husband, give back the people them money. Wives, give back the people them land. The Jamaica people must chant this song. We want back money from the government. We want back money from Andrew Wellness. And we want back money from Juliet Wellness. Or they will start vice it. We want back money from Andrew Wellness. We want back money from Andrew Wellness. Juliet Wellness, we want back land. We want back land. We want back land. Big up yourself, hardball. We want back land, Juliet Wellness. Andrew Wellness, we want back money. We want back with money and the oldness. You let oldness, we want back with land. Prime Minister, we want back with freedom. We want back with Jamaica. You take away every one of the resources from us. We want back with beach. We want back with river. We want back with stream. We want back with proper governance policies. We need it back. If it's a tough that we want back the charity money we try to give you to go back to the children hospital. Come give us back, man. Give us back it. We do fair share. Why can't we get it back? And I'm very arrogant against the people. Come on, give us back our money. Give us back our money. Man, take you care back the youth care about money. We want it back. The taxes are supposed to get back those money. Andrew Wheatley, where the Petro Jam money there? Bring back the Petro Jam money. Yeah, we not we want back the money. Jamaica people want back their money. And every sector that will fail into. Every sector that will fail into, they're supposed to hold accountable for it. The government of the Congress state of the people, we have the bad policy and the arrogant policy that they made against the people of Jamaica. But we money the Prime Minister. You let the people land there. What a shame and indictment upon this government, brother. What an indictment upon you. No shame. No shameless. No shameless. And the people that support the Hadi Baba massive. No shame. No shame. No shame. No walk past street. Prime Minister make no walk and beg. Beg. You go think what Labour can do. Trace and beg. That's the only thing the people that support the Jamaica Labour Party then do. Trace and beg. Trace and beg. That's all them do. And accept bad policies. That's all they do. The people that support the Jamaica Labour Party, you know, trace and beg and accept arrogant style. We don't know that, we don't know. The mass of the people deserve better than that. I want to deal with. I don't think everybody an idiot. I don't think everybody an idiot. Come on, big up yourself. And then everybody an idiot. Why are you so arrogant against the people of Jamaica? And the people that support you, follow you. So they are blind and lead blind. Blind and lead blind. From me know myself, I vote. Every vote I vote. I vote for policies. Every vote I vote for infrastructure. Every vote I vote for a government that makes sense. I've never voted for salvage yet. Me never vote for roast meat pan grill. And every Rasta that support the Jamaica Labour Party, bust a man to jar them off my bus. Bust a man to be beat, because bust a man to like Rasta, you know. I don't remember that, you know. Bust a man to still have one up. Bust a man to discriminate, you know. Everything that support Jamaica Labour Party that call themselves Rasta, bust a man to beat pan, you know, and dig out on the eye. Because like a dog, so no one vomit. How can you say he's a Rasta and support the Jamaica Labour Party? That's why I don't want to don't and still think a Ghanaian think a tobacco type of sitting. Because that don't can say properly, because you're still arrogant. You're still arrogant. You should be ashamed of yourself. After the Bustamante regime discriminate and send in exile. This was a Michael Mann-led government and policy. We could have come back. We could have come back in a society. The Buster administration dump on and send in exile, and then you come and support this bread and butter selfish government. On a lie and deceive into oneself. On a lie and deceive into oneself. And deceive into the people of Jamaica. Mark Jefferson Golden. Make the discrimination come up on them. Say I own some weed. The youth man panicano will suffer for a split. Mark Golden. Let that be a thing of the past. So Mark Golden will get credit in every capacity. What and the one is of Uno? Uno will support the Jamaica Labour Party, some of the young people, and some of the Rastaman. What and the one is of Uno? Hard inflation pound. And God order pound and you can't talk for the rights. You can't talk for the rights. On the go away. On the rate, on the niece and nephew, on the rate, on the father, on the rate of the mother, on the rate of the sister, on the rate of the brother. On the do not rate on the sense, on the rate nobody at all. So no continue to accept the roast beef pan grill. Continue to accept the Busterman selfish policies. Continue to accept Andrew Holness 28 bank account policies. Continue to accept Juliet Holness land grabber policy. Continue to accept dumping jar. We take away all a river, the stream, and kill the tourist industry from Uno. Uno have no saying. Uno have no saying. One land. Uno one space. The government have got no space. Everything is for the government. Everything is for the government. Uno have nothing. What him do man no you know. Every day on lip and dumpling rice. There is no proper nutrition food for the children them. No proper nutrition food for you guys. So we're full of chronic disease. And the health system has not functioning properly. So the hospital becomes clog up. And yet, there are no beds, there are nothing. So when the person ends up losing 3 points, Christopher Tufton comes in. Christopher Tufton comes for the body. So the Jamaica Labour Party